according to the technology, we should change. Then only we will be in the market. So that's why we implemented all AI smart board in our campus. I am Ramaswamy Kaarthik Kumaar. I am secretary for RKR Educational Institutions. In 1993, my father started RKR Higher Secondary School. Nearly 5 schools and 1 college. So we started in Udumalpet. The main purpose is we should give good quality education for rural kids. Same like what urban students are getting, giving the same education for rural kids. Last year, we tie up with the Teachmint company. We implement AI technology panel board for all the classes. The main purpose of using that AI panel comparing the other smart boards, it's more user friendly and easily access the resources. So it's a completely a tech school. So we are changing. Old school is a new school.
In traditional classroom in Blackboard, just we can visualization only there. We have to imagine and we ask students to imagine like that. But here by using that Edu app, we can show that pictures, videos and chemical reactions. For programming languages, in the board வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஈஸியாக கோடிங்ஸை வந்து அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ண வைக்கிறதுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். எங்களோட சிஎஸ் கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஸோ இங்கேயும் நம்ம இப்போ ஒரு டாபிக் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா ஆன் த ஸ்பாட்டில் கோடிங்கை காப்பி பண்ணி பேஸ்ட் பண்ணி ரன் பண்ணி அவுட்புட் டிஸ்பிளே பண்ண முடியும்.
The software and the hardware of Teachmint boards are really fantastic. If you knock very hard, even it won't break. So that was a great experience from Teachmint panel boards. When we are using Blackboard, of course, students' mindset somewhat diverted. But once we started using the Teachmint boards, then I can feel the difference between the chalk on talk method and the technology that we are using now. Students are more concentrated than the usage of Blackboards.
If you're not changing our reviews, if we're not changing our technology, we're not updated. We should be updated. So that's why we are implementing AI Teachmint board for all classes. So 100% I will recommend in other schools.